Learn to write. Writing is fun. In English, we have 4 lines to write on. First line is skyline. Second line is fence line. The third line is grass line. The fourth line is fruit line. Today we will learn formation of small letter A. Put your pencil on the fence line. Make a curve. Come down. Touch the grass line. Go up. Touch the fence line. Again. Come down straight. Touch the grass line and make a loop. Let's try again, kids. Well done! You got it! Now we will learn the formation of capital A. Put your pencil on the skyline and come down, making a slant line. Touch the grass line. Put your pencil again on the skyline. Come down, making a slant line. Touch the grass line again. Now, join these two slant lines. Try again, kids. Well done. Keep it up. Thank you for listening.
Subscribe for more videos by EY Teaching Resources.